Hello everyone and welcome to the Finland Academy. So in this week we have seen a certain kind of the both side momentum, and as a result of that means the weekly closing has happened on the positive note by 1.5%, but looking from the candlesticks perspective it has formed a perfect doji candle. The doji candle represents a certain kind of the indecisiveness. So in recent time there was a buyers were into the control of the market, but this is a initial sign that we are seeing a certain kind of the struggle between the buyers and sellers over there. Apart from formation of the doji candle, the most important thing is that means where it is getting formed. So if I pay attention to the top of this week or at the high of this level, I can see that means index has made its high point around its in a previous reversal history points. So there are times where this level was acting as a support level first time, the second time prices has approached to this level, got stabilized, and again we have seen the momentum to the high side which has mapped the all-time high level, and now again we are at the same level. So it indicates that means there is a certain kind of strong resistance point going ahead. In the previous week we were saying that means this is a time where we should not pay attention lot to the resistance point because the buyers were into the control, and we can see the upside near about 10,500 to 10,600. But now the same scenario is not there. It is not so that means we need to ignore the resistance points now. The index has approached to the very critical level. Means this is what from the price action perspective, if I employ my Fibonacci retracements over here, so we will find that this is what my top, this is all the way my bottom is there, and this time the index hit the 61.8 retracement level, and this correlation has a very deep understanding into the past as well. So whatever the major falls that we have seen into the year 2008, 10, 2015, so certain kind of the replications that we were seeing over there. So this is what the history is repeating itself, and the more we are studying about the past, the better we are preparing for our future. So in this time, in a nutshell, we can say that the bulls need to be the very cautious at this point. Now if I come to the daily chart over here and trying to find the trigger points, that means where the negativity is getting emerged, where the positivity is likely to unfold for the positive momentum, because this is what an anticipation that we are making, that this is a very strong resistance point we are in. But however, the recent up move has not deteriorated the structure. It is still into the positive momentum. The short term moving averages are still tilting on the high side. If I'm connecting the immediate tops over here, tops and bottoms, so we can see that this is how the formation is happening right now in the current context. These are how the tops are getting connected, and this is how the bottoms are getting connected, and this is what we can say the rising verge is getting formed. We cannot call it channel because the both the line are converging to each other, so it is in a rising verge kind of the things is getting formed over there. So we are at the peak of this level. Technical structure from the short term perspective, it is not yet deteriorated, but of course we are at a very critical level. To confirm the negativity, that means what levels are going by or getting surpassed, and then we can witness a certain kind of the selling pressure. So these levels can be this one, because these are what an immediate base point that we have witnessed around this point, means 10,000 to the 10,100 level, which may act as a support level down the line. And by the same time, this is what my upward sloping slope may happen at around 10,000 to 10,100 in between. So the levels these are getting pierced, so it is signifying a certain kind of negativity from the current level. So again, briefing up the entire scenario, the short-term technical structure has not been deteriorated right now, but we have approached to the one very important critical point right now. So going forward, 10,500 to 10,600 going to be the stiff resistance point for the market. So bulls has to be the very cautious at this juncture, and once the short-term technical structure is getting damaged, it is giving us a indication that means the tide is getting changed, and the certain kind of further selling pressure we can witness. But for that we need to witness a short-term structure to get damaged first. So whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.